to sing, and it makes my heart want to sing, want to sing.
Amen. Okay, at ngayon po mga kapatid ay tumako na po tayo sa atin sa pagkikinig ng salita ng Panginoon through our pastor, Pastor Angelo. But before that ay siya po ay mag-render ng kanya pong special number dahil ni-request po ni Mother Martha na bago daw po mag-preach si Pastor Angelo ay siya po ay aawit daw po muna. So Pastor, please come to render your special number and your preaching.
Amen.
Gandang umaga po.
Amen.
At sa mga nakakita po sa aking pong tatay ko po siya. Kasama ko po yung nanay ko, kaya alam nyo na po. Kaya salamat po sa privilege na makatayo po sa inyong harapan sa mga anak ng Diyos sa lugar po nito. And it just so happen na kami po ay nag-tour at with purpose po. Salamat sa privilege po na makatayo po sa inyo. At awit po ako ang isa dahil po sabi po ni Nanay Martha, awit po ako ng isa. But yung second song po mamaya ay will be a song para po encourage ang bawat isa. At awitin ko po muna itong awiting titled The Only Thing You Bought Was Me. He was born in a stable, in a borrowed manger. He borrowed a lunch to feed a lot of strangers. He borrowed a colt to ride into town on. He borrowed a tomb, but he would need it long. And the only thing he bought was me. When he shed his blood on Calvary, I'm redeemed by his blood for eternity. The only thing he bought was me. On the auction block of sin, this world had turned me down, and Satan had told me, you're nothing but hellbound. You're never gonna win, and your soul forever lost. But Jesus gave it all on the cold, rugged cross. And the only thing he bought was me. When he shed his blood on Calvary, now redeemed by his blood for eternity. The only thing he bought was me.